So compilers synthesis phase. This chapter is compiler synthesis phase under system programming and compiler construction. So what do we mean by intermediate code generation? Some compilers, they generate an explicit intermediate representation of the source program after first three phases of the compiler, that is lexical phase, syntax phase and semantic analysis. So after the first three phases, what are the first three phases? Phase 1 is lexical, phase 2 is syntax analysis and phase 3 is semantic analysis. After the first three phases, the intermediate representation of the source program should acquire the two main characteristics. So after the first three phases, what happens? There is an intermediate code generation which is taking place in the compiler design, and this source program should have the two main characteristics. It should be easy to produce and handle. Translation into the target program should be easy to understand. If we recall, we have studied that compilation is done in two phases: analysis of source program and remembering the relevant information and performing synthesis of the target program, that is code generation. So the first phase is there and the second phase is there. In the second phase there is a code generation, and in the first phase there is analysis of the source program and remembering relevant information, that is these three things: lexical, syntax and semantic. And in the second part we have intermediate code generation. There is a code generation. So this is about the introduction.